and on this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the Security Bank app. Now, if hindi pa kayo nakakapag-download, you may download it through the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Make sure to check that you download the latest app. Let's log in into the app. Here I use Face ID. You can activate or deactivate this under settings. You'll see it later on. Okay, so once you log in, the first thing you'll see are your accounts. In this case, I have two, one savings account and one joint account. You can see the type of account over here. And then below is the total value of your accounts. Let's click one of them. Once you click an account, this is what you'll see. Up here is the name of the account, which you can rename anytime, the account number, the current amount, and the available amount. And then below is the transaction history, which you can filter according to date. Then, if you click eSOA or e-statement of account, this is what you'll see. Let's try to click August 2023. Immediately, you can see your statement of account. Now let's go back to the list of accounts. In order to open an online interest account, just click up here. So you'll see the Open eSecure Savings or ESS account. Select account for initial deposit. On this case, only one account showed up because again, the other one is a joint account. Select your initial deposit and account alias. Then you can click this button to view the rates. It will redirect you to the browser. Here you can see the details of the account with all the interest rates. Tick the box and agree with the terms and conditions and then click submit. Okay, let's go back. Then swipe to the right, you'll see cards. So here you can apply for a credit card. It will again redirect you to the browser and you could pick the card you want. So again, all the details will be found here. Let's go back. Below is add existing credit card. So if you already have an existing credit card and you want to add it on the app, this is what you click. So just select the account type, credit card number, and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click submit. The next one is investment. You can apply for a UITF account. Just click this button over here. To know more about UITFs, you can check this video over here. I won't go through this in detail. I'm going to make a separate video on how to apply for a UITF account. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified when that video comes out. Again, if you have an existing UITF account, you can add it by clicking this button. Next is time deposit. Click on this button, apply for time deposit account. Again, it will redirect you to the browser and here you can see the details. As you can see, there are several options and you can easily pick what you want. Again, adding existing time deposit account, just click this button over here. After the accounts, let's go to transfers. Option 1 is to transfer to me. So transfer from your own account to another account that you already own. For example, let's select one of my two accounts here, from and to. Enter the amount, place a purpose, which is optional, and then you could schedule the transfer, either immediately or scheduled. Or if you want it to be a recurring payment, you could choose either daily, weekly, or monthly. This is good if you have a separate account solely for your savings, which you want to get from your other existing account. So if it's recurring, you could also select the number of transactions. Next one is transfer to others. So here again, select the transfer from, transfer funds to. As you can see here, I have one account listed here. You may add a new recipient. Just click this. Just type in the account number. And if you want to add it on your favorites, then click proceed. Once that's added, it's going to appear over here. And then enter the amount and the purpose, which is optional. and again, scheduling details if needed. The next option is to transfer to other banks. Again, select your account from, and then select the recipient. As you can see here, I already have 2 recipient accounts from other banks. If you want to add one, just click this, new recipient, enter the bank. You can select from the large list they have, account number, account name, and if you want to add it to favorites. And then just click submit. Again, enter the amount, the purpose, optional, and here you'll see the service fee. Service fee is computed depending on the bank. And real-time transfer is up to 50,000 pesos. And a transfer fee of 25 pesos will be charged to Easy Savings account within 1 to 2 banking days. But there are no charges if you are a Gold Circle and Wealth client. Again, tick this box and agree with the terms and conditions, and then click transfer. It's as easy as that. The next one is e-Give-Cash. I talked about this in more detail on this video, so check it out. You can send and transfer money from your security bank account for free. The next one is receive e-Give-Cash. Again, this is discussed on the video I mentioned earlier. The next one is bills. Here you can pay your bills conveniently. So the first one, pay bills using select an account. Again, choose biller and product. So you can see the list of billers over here. All the billers are selected alphabetically, and you can also type in your biller on the search box. Then enter the biller details like subscriber number, amount, and optionally purpose. You may schedule this as well, and then just click pay bills. The next option is reload. So you can reload mobile phone. Again, select the account you want to load from, the recipient. By default, the list of your contacts will appear here, or you can add a new recipient. Just type in the mobile number, and you may add it to your favorites. Then click proceed. Select the telco, reload amount, again purpose, which is optional, and scheduling. Then click review payment and proceed to your reload. The last option on the menu is more. Under here, you can see my profile, where you can change the password, schedule transactions. So this is another option where you can schedule your transactions. Security settings, quick login. So this is where you activate or deactivate Face ID login. Lock or unlock ATM. This is a very helpful feature, especially if, for example, you lost your ATM, but for some reason, maybe they're under maintenance, but it says here the feature is disabled. Enroll account if you want to enroll any of your accounts. So it's another option aside from what I've shown you earlier. You can enroll your savings account, checking account, credit card, investment, or time deposit. Account request, stop payment order, view order list, manage favorites. You can remove or add favorites over here. Manage trip abroad. So mainly it's about using credit cards abroad. Convert USD to PHP, US dollar to Philippine peso. So it just leaves you here to apply for a bank account. It's the same as what I've shown you earlier, which led us to the browser. Branch map locator. This is helpful if you want to look for the security bank branches or ATMs near you. Contact us. It will lead you again to the browser with all the details. FAQs. So you can check them out over here, and log out. And if you go back, you can click this button on the upper right, the chat bubbles button, and here you can chat with a customer representative if in case you have questions. You can either view the policy or proceed. So in order to start your chat, you will receive an OTP, and here you can start to chat with them or with the chatbot. if you want to learn how to send and receive cash from Security Bank for free, don't forget to check out this video. Learn how to navigate the BDO and BPI online app here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you. Bye!